Have you ever wondered who actually invented the rules of modern chess thinking? Today we are talking about Wilhelm Steinitz, the man who changed chess forever and became the very first official world chess champion. Born in Prague in 1836, Steinitz moved to Vienna as a young man and built his reputation in the 1860s. Back then, chess was all about flash attacks and aggressive combination, which was a style of 19th century. Steinitz played this way too, and in 1866 he defeated Adolf Anderssen in London, proving he was one of the strongest players in the world. But then Steinitz did something radical. During the 1870s and 80s, he completely changed his approach. Instead of rushing to attack, he started focusing on positional principles like pawn structure, weak squares, piece development, king safety, and gathering small advantages. Steinitz argued that you shouldn't just attack because you can. An attack needs to be backed up by a positional advantage. If the position is balanced, you should first improve your own position and create weaknesses in your opponent's camp. These revolutionary ideas formed the Steinitz school of chess, shifting the game from romantic attacking to a much more systematic and positional approach. In 1886, Steinitz played Johannes Zukertort in a match widely regarded as the first official World Chess Championship match. Steinitz won 10-5 with 5 draws, claiming the historic title. He successfully defended his crown against Mikhail Chigorin in 1889 and 1892, and also defeated Isidor Gunsberg in 1890-91. His reign finally ended in 1894 when he lost the World Championship to Emanuel Lasker. After losing a rematch against Lasker later on, Steinitz suffered a severe nervous breakdown and spent about 40 days in a psychiatric clinic in Moscow. His final years were deeply tragic. His mental state continued to deteriorate, and he reportedly believed he could talk to chess players using a wireless telephone, even claiming he had played and won a game of chess against God. According to accounts from contemporaries like chess writer Yevgeny Znosko-Borovsky, when Steinitz was later committed to a hospital in New York, the staff didn't recognize him. To them, he was just another patient claiming to be the world chess champion. The tragic irony was that he really was the first official world chess champion. But no one at the hospital was left to confirm it. Destitute and largely forgotten by the chess world, Steinitz died in a state mental hospital in New York in August 1900. Why is Wilhelm Steinitz so important to chess history? He didn't just win games, he taught the world how to understand chess, by proving that positions could be evaluated through general principles rather than just attacking instincts. Steinitz turned chess into the systematic and analytical discipline we know today.